Hi everyone, welcome to this video sharing session, brought to you exclusively by Bimklue. The purpose of this sharing session is to show you our BIM implementation experience. If you want to know more about BIM, please stay tuned with us for more video sharing. Today we're going to show you how to model a wall with layers of information. Building a wall is never an easy job to do. Besides bricks, we have plaster, skim coat and other finishes. Now, our duty as building information modelers will require to do the same to our BIM model to make our models as informative as possible. Tips of the day. Model without information is just a 3D geometry. This is not building information modeling. Without talking too much, we go to our demo video now. Okay, we start with a blank project. What we have here are the default generic walls. We duplicate the wall and name it as 150mm brick wall, plaster, skim, paint and tiles. Then, from the wall structure, we select and assign it to brick wall. Change the thickness of the brick wall. Then we start to insert layers of finishes to the brick wall. We're going to start with the plaster layer. We can give some description to the plaster instead of just writing plaster. In this case, we use KG mix as our plaster material. We fill in the description. Now why we need to fill in so many items? Remember, the more information you put in, the more informative the models you have. Later we will be able to create a schedule to extract the information we provided here. From the information we have, we can see the plaster model. Always remember to link the URL for the ease of information searching in future. Okay, these are the example of general information that required to be insert now. Now let's specify the appearance information for the plaster. Okay, that's all for the plaster. We plaster both sides of the brick wall. Now we start with another layer. We basically need to repeat the similar steps just now for the skim coat layer. We are using Lafarge Gray skim coat here. So, I'm going to skip the steps here. Okay, Then we go to the next layer. We need to add a paint layer now. I'm going to use Jotun Contemporary White here. Then, we key in the information here. Now again I'm going to skip the process here. This time I'm going to change the appearance of the material by linking an image file just now that I have copied to my computer. So, that's how we do it. We still have a layer of tiles, we're going to insert again another layer. The process of information key in will going to be the same. We are using MML tiles here as an example. I'm going to skip the key in process. Similarly, we link the image that has been downloaded to the computer just now. However, this time is slightly different because we need to take care of the tiles lines. We go to bump, then we choose the tile pattern. We adjust the scale large to see the 600 x 600 tiles lines. Adjust the count to 2, so now you can see 600 x 600 tiles lines. We can also adjust the grout spacing by adjusting the numbers here. Now we must also adjust the graphics section here. We're going to duplicate one of the patterns here and modify it. Rename and change the line spacing. We are almost there. Don't forget to assign the thickness to each of the material. Draw a wall here by pressing the keyboard shortcut WA. Zoom in. Now we can see the wall is with a lot of layers instead of a simple blank wall. Draw again a few walls here. We create a camera view here and prepare for rendering. Go to the elevation view and adjust the camera, so we can have a better view of the walls. Okay, we do some simple rendering setting here. Okay, these are the walls we have. The finishes are all rendered as we assigned just now. If we are not happy with the tiles pattern because it is quite repetitive, we can adjust it again here. Go back to the tiles finishes layer again. We adjust the scale of the sample size to larger values here. Okay, we render it again. Now we have the pattern with less repetitive. It repeats every 3 meters as our setting just now. One last thing, we're going to tabulate the information of the walls here. We're going to create a material takeoff list here. Select walls and click OK. You can select any information you want to be included in the list. Select as much as you wanted here. Then we click OK. Okay, this is the information for all the walls we have modeled just now. The schedule is quite comprehensive. We can know how much materials we have used, what are the materials, where to get the materials by following the URL link. Okay, let's have a look on few more photos from site. Let's recap here. Number 1, every information is important to be included into BIM. Number 2, model without information is just a 3D geometry. That is not building information modeling. Okay, that's all for today. We hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to stay tuned with us for more video sharing. Bimklue, we assist you in BIM.